I need to support myself 1,000%. For those of you out there, whether you're an entrepreneur or you're an upcoming entrepreneur just like myself, you know, it's a lonely road. It's a lonely road. You know, not everybody's going to see the vision the way you do. That's because God didn't give them the same vision. You know what I'm saying? This is your dream, so this is why you're the only one that can see it as so. And, you know, I have to understand, most people won't see it until, you know, the successes start to roll in. You know, in whichever form they may roll in, some people won't see it until then. But during this time while I'm kind of flying under the radar, you know, this is the time for me to really get busy, to really hone in on the craft. And those of you listening to this, going through the same thing, feeling the same way that I'm feeling right now, like you're not really getting the support from the people that you feel you should be getting the support from. You're not really getting the recognition that you may deserve. Like you're not really getting the kudos, the pat on the backs or anything like that. You know, just know that they may never come. Like I've got that in my head that, you know, the support may never come, and that's fine. But at the end of the day, I can't give up on me. I cannot give up on myself. That's not an option. Everybody else can give up on me. Everybody else can write me off. Everybody else can lose their patience with me, but I cannot write myself off. I cannot lose patience with myself, and I cannot give up on me. Because, you know, I understand that my dreams are counting on me, my goals are counting on me, and for me to get there, I have to work through this hard time. I got to work through this rough patch. This rough patch may be a year, maybe another 2 years, maybe it's just 6 months. I don't know how long it's going to be, but I have to continue to work through. And I encourage everybody that's listening to this, if you're feeling stuck in the rough patch, you have to keep on working. You have to keep on going. This is where your breakthrough happens. A lot of people, you know, fail in the rough patches. They fall in the rough patches. They fall back in the rough patches. That's why there's not that many millionaires. That's why there's not a lot of successful entrepreneurs. Some people let the chirping from other people get to them. They let the failures get to them. They let the rough patches of life, you know, whatever form they may come in, they let those things kind of, you know, stop their growth. And we cannot do that to ourselves. It doesn't matter how many people support you or don't support you. At the end of the day, you have to support yourself. You have to be your biggest fan. If people want to support, cool. If people don't, whatever. Like I said, you'll always have you.